Did you know the ugly duckling story is really about finding your true self? Let me tell you this tale with a beat that's fly. Once upon a time, in a nest so small, one egg hatched different from them all. The other ducklings laughed and called him names, said he was ugly, brought him shame. But this little bird had heart so strong, knew deep inside they had it wrong. He walked alone through fields so wide, searching for a place to hide. The chickens pecked, the geese would hiss, told him he would not be missed. Winter came with cold so deep, barely had a place to sleep. But spring arrived with hope so bright, that's when swans came into sight. He looked down at the water, clear, saw his reflection drawing near. Not a duck, but swans so grand, most beautiful in all the land. The moral here is plain to see. Sometimes you gotta let yourself be free. Don't let others bring you down, you might just wear the golden crown.